Monsignor Gray here at St. Thomas, coming to you with some information about My Parish App, which you may find helpful. So I'm a little bit in a darker position, but part of it is because I want to be able to show people effective ways to make use of My Parish App. So I'll actually be showing you how to find the app on your mobile device, on your phone or your tablet, if you'd like to install it and then make use of it. So it's something we encourage people to use because it does provide an easy way to keep people up to date about things happening at the parish. So if you haven't downloaded My Parish App, we encourage you to do so. So I'm on an Apple device, so I'll be using the App Store, but the very similar things would happen if you use Google Play. So one of the first things I'm doing is looking for the App Store icon itself. And so once I bring up that App Store, I'm looking for search. So by searching for an app, then I will give it some information about the app I'm searching for. So it's simply called My Parish App. I can start just by typing in My Parish, and that's oftentimes enough to find the app itself. So you can type the full thing, My Parish App, if you would wish to do so. And then we'll see this first app up here. This is actually the app itself. You'll see this kind of characteristic icon, sort of this bluish icon with a white cross in the center of a circle. And so that is the icon that's used for My Parish App. So used by a number of different parishes, and including St. Thomas. So once I select that particular app, then it will give me the option for downloading it, so there's information about that. This is where you may have an extra step to go through because depending on how your device is set up, you may need to put in a password or give additional permissions for an app to be installed and downloaded. So you may have to then give special permissions in your phone, but once the app itself has been downloaded, then you'll notice it's been installed to your home screen. I'm just going to open it right here from the App Store itself. And then up comes My Parish App. So one of the things that the app would like to do is to send notifications. We encourage you to enable this because this is one of the things that we can use to help get information into people's hands. So if there is information to share, then we can send that out and push that out so that way you'll be kept up to date about St. Thomas. So I encourage you to allow that permission. And then the first thing that the app will do is just give you a brief introduction about how to connect with the parish. And so just a few screens it walks through, showing you that it can send different messages out as a way to keep people informed, keep people up to date with the calendar from the parish, and then also even a way to silence the phones when you happen to be at Mass, just a way that the app can assist you with that. So then we'll click on Find My Parish. And so now we're actually going to look for this particular parish. The app can be used with different parishes, so we now need to find St. Thomas. So by clicking on this, that blank space in order to find the parish, you'll notice that I have no location services enabled because here St. Thomas comes up first because I am at St. Thomas. So I am 0.0 miles away from St. Thomas. So there we are. That'd be the fastest way to select St. Thomas, to say this is the parish I'd like to install with this app. But let's say, for example, even if you didn't have location services enabled, I could just type the zip code for Peoria Heights, which is 61616. And after doing that, then you'll notice that St. Thomas comes up. So it's the parish in Peoria Heights. So a zip code of 61616 also works just fine. So once I select the parish, so then you'll see the name for St. Thomas appears here. So this is the parish that I would like to install with this app. So we'll get started. So when I click Get Started, it now will load information now specifically about St. Thomas. One of the first things it does is it shows you how you can see both the last message that was sent out as well as the readings of the day. These automatically pop up when you open the app, but you can swipe them away to get back to the main menu. So I'm going to acknowledge that, and then I'm going to swipe up those initial, that message and reading. And then the next thing it does is it shows you a few more things to get used to that you might see the next Mass time as well as confession times that would be available, and that's where they're located on the menu. I'm going to say okay to that. And now you're here at information about St. Thomas. One of the things that people sometimes choose to do is to move over here in order to create an account. You can actually sign in or create a free account if you would like to set up St. Thomas as your regular parish. But the app actually will work perfectly fine as is, whether you create an account or not. So the app is fully functional as it stands right now. Some helpful things that you'll see will be messages here, and so this will have the last messages that are sent out to keep people up to date about things happening at the parish. I'm going to return back to the main menu by touching the square up there. You'll see, in addition to that, this Advent wreath, and so during this Advent season, there's some specific Advent information that you may find helpful. There are meditations that you can make use of during the Advent season. There's also information about the parish or about Mass times. I can bring up information about that would link you to the website or to our directory and so forth. Another thing that people oftentimes also find helpful is the icon for the bulletin. So if you pull this up, you can electronically see not only this most recent bulletin, but even past bulletins. These can be then opened up and downloaded, though you make use of a browser in order to actually show you the entire bulletin. So this is the bulletin for the first Sunday of Advent. You can read the entire bulletin online. If I were to go back from there, there's also, from here, there's an icon that you'll see for giving. If you would like to take advantage of that. This is a quick way that it will link you directly to the St. Thomas website, and if you would like to make electronic contributions, you're able to do so from this website. The people can select the things they would want their gift to go toward, even making use of the comment field. If there's something specific, we're happy to direct contributions to those specific things that people might wish to do, including, for example, the giving tree, which is also mentioned among the different purposes. That's something people are doing very much right now. Beyond that, then there are other prayers. There's information about confessions, Mass times that are there, as well as dates on the calendar. So all helpful things that you can make use of. So if you haven't downloaded the Parish App, I encourage you to do so. It's just another helpful way to stay connected to St. Thomas. We'll keep you up to date with, so you can see videos online, so you can stay connected as we broadcast Masses online. So for those who are coming here to Mass, for those who are watching videos at home, we send greetings out to all of our St. Thomas parishioners and our St. Thomas school families. So I encourage you to download the Parish App and hope that you find it very helpful.